guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched matte drama lipsticks by Kay Beauty. These are the newly launched bullet lipsticks by the brand and I am absolutely loving them. So before we begin with the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel first for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. And now let's get right into the video. I'm literally filming this video for the second time because the first time that I filmed it, there was absolutely no audio. So let's get started. Kay Beauty has launched these lipsticks in 18 different shades, which is incredible. There's a shade for every single skin tone, which is something that I absolutely love. So I have 8 shades out of all the 18 ones, and I'm gonna swatch every single shade and give you guys a review of all of the lipsticks. So firstly, let's talk about the packaging. This is how the outer box looks like. Very sleek and nice. It has the Kay Beauty monogram all over it, which is something that I absolutely love. And then this is how the lipstick looks like from the inside. I am in love with the packaging. I love the fact that there's absolutely nothing written on the lipstick and it's just the monogram on all over the lid. It is so stunning, and it is rose gold, which is something that I absolutely love. And the one thing that I appreciate the most is that the bottom of every lipstick is color coordinated according to the shades, as you guys can see, which is so incredible. I think it is so convenient for all of us. So when you open the lipstick, this is how the bullet looks like. It has a very unique shape. This is how it looks like. It has a shape which will allow you to give a very precise application, which is something that I absolutely agree. The first 2 applications of the lipstick is not very comfortable because of the shape, but once it is used, it gets very convenient to apply your lipstick. So I love everything about the packaging. It has a magnetic closure which feels so luxe. Now coming on to the price of these lipsticks, these retail for 9.99 rupees each, which according to me is not bad. If you guys try the lipstick, you will understand why is it priced like that, because the formula is to die for. It is incredible and these definitely feel worth it. Like 9.99 is a little up there for a drugstore lipstick, I get it, but the formula is great. These lipsticks are not creamy, they're extremely matte and absolutely not drying. These are so lightweight lipsticks that you literally cannot even feel that you have anything on your lips. It is so lightweight, like even now I cannot feel like I have anything on my lips. So the care ingredients in these lipsticks are grapeseed oil, which help with hydration on your lips, and it has red raspberry, which provides some UV protection to your lips, which is amazing. I love the fact that they have some care ingredients, and also these lipsticks are paraben free, they're cruelty free, and also they're vegetarian, which is something that I really appreciate. So I'm gonna tell you guys what these lipsticks claim. Intensely matte finish, long lasting, weightless film of color, which I absolutely agree, luxurious rich texture, one stroke application, and high impact color. All of these things are so true. This is literally the best matte finished bullet lipstick that I've ever tried. By the way, this video is not sponsored. These products were sent to me by the brand, but the video is not sponsored. No one's paying me to say any good things about the products. So it is 100% authentic and honest. I'm gonna do a little transfer test and show you guys. As you guys can see, there's just a little bit of tint on my hand. It did not even transfer that much. So I can say that they're slightly transfer proof. They won't like transfer like an insane amount of lipstick on your coffee mug or anything. So it's a very beautiful formula for like everyday wear. Also, Kay Beauty has an offer running on only for today on Nykaa. It is a flat 10% off on all of these lipsticks. I'm gonna leave a link of all of the products in the description box below, so please don't forget to check that out. I think it's the perfect time to get your hands on these lipsticks. So now moving on to the swatches of these lipsticks, I'm gonna first swatch them on my hand to show you guys the color payoff and everything, and then I will swatch each and every color on my lips. So the lightest shade that I have is the shade Muse. It's a cool toned brown nude color, and this is how it looks like. You guys can see the application is so creamy. It is intensely pigmented and at the same time it is super matte. It literally looks like a liquid lipstick, but it is not. So this is how the shade Muse looks like. This one looks slightly washed out on my skin tone, so I would suggest people with lighter skin tones to buy this shade because it will be a perfect nude for you. The next shade that I have is Snapshot, and it's a pink nude color. Again, something which is slightly washed out on me. This is how it looks like. This is the shade. Again, looks slightly washed out on me, but it still looks really pretty on me. I can use it with a lip liner. I can honestly use this on its own also. It's not a problem. But I would again suggest only lighter skin tones to buy this shade. Now coming on to my favorite shade, which is Wrap Up. I'm currently wearing it on my lips. This is such a beautiful pink toned brick sort of a color, and it is again something that is universally flattering. It would be a perfect nude for people who have deeper skin tones. It looks so gorgeous on you, and with people who have lighter skin tone, it will be a nice sort of a bold shade on you. The next shade that I have is it's a coral color, and this is in the shade Dream Girl. This one is a bright neon coral shade, and definitely not something that I would wear a lot because I'm just not comfortable with wearing such bright colors. But if you are someone who loves wearing bright lipsticks, you're gonna love it. Just look at the insane amount of pigmentation of this lipstick. It is crazy. It is super pigmented and creamy. This is a very bright neon orange kind of coral kind of a shade. Imagine this lip color with lots of mascara and a dewy base and just this bright lipstick. It would look so beautiful. Next shade that we have is Red Carpet. This is a more brick kind of a color. It's a true brick color actually. This is how it looks like. Again, a universally flattering lip color. It would look so beautiful on every single skin tone. It is such a gorgeous shade. It has some warm tones to it, and it is also kind of a bold lip color, so it looks really pretty. Next shade that we have is Head Turner. I'm gonna show you guys a swatch of this lipstick. So this is how it looks like. This is a pink toned red color. One of those lipsticks that makes me feel so confident. Even the shade Red Carpet that I swatched over here, both of these shades just makes me feel so confident, and it just looks so flattering on my dusky skin color. I think if you guys are someone who has a medium skin tone, these colors are gonna look so gorgeous on you. The next lipstick is in the shade Retro, and it is a beautiful wine lip color. It is that true wine color, and this is how it looks like. Again, looks so gorgeous on my skin tone. I'm definitely gonna use like these three lip colors are something that these are gonna be my go-to bold lipsticks for sure. And this one is gonna be like my everyday lip color, which is Wrap Up, and this wine color is just so gorgeous. And the last shade that I have, this one is the deepest color out of all, and it's definitely not something that I would wear on a daily basis. But if you are into deeper lip shades, then this is how it looks like. This is in the shade Rolling, and I think it would look so stunning on darker skin tones. It is going to look really beautiful. On me, it is a little too dark, but again, it's a gorgeous shade. It looks very beautiful. The application of these lipsticks are very even. They're not patchy at all. They apply so smoothly. The application is just beautiful. Also, like, while applying, these colors are very creamy, but it is an intensely matte finish. Like, you guys can see it on my lips. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. So this is it for today's video. These lipsticks definitely get a thumbs up from my side. I am in love with the formula, and it is definitely going to be my go-to lipstick from now on. I hope you guys found the video helpful and enjoyed the video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!